Baby, it's pouring. It is pouring rain. I don't like going out in the rain, but I had to go get me some coffee. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it is pouring hard out here. I don't even know where this rain came from, but it came. I don't like going out in the rain, but I had to go to Scooters and pick me up big Carmelicious blended extra large with about 6 shots of espresso. I didn't get very much sleep last night. It was a rough night, and so I needed the extra caffeine today. If y'all have to go out and it's pouring rain in y'all's areas, drive safely. Stay safe, everybody. Happy Friday.